Can you be more effective just by better body language? The answer is yes. Here are 3 body language cues that you can use in order to project presence in any situation. Number 1, smile. Smiling not just diffuses tension for yourself, but it also makes you appear friendly to other people. Number 2, watch your posture. Whether you sit or you stand, make sure that you are alert. Don't lean on one side when you stand. Plant your feet firmly on the ground. When you're sitting, don't lean back. Sit straight, maybe lean a little forward to show that you're interested and alert. Number 3, use hand gestures. Hand gestures always add animation when you speak instead of having them on your lap, which is a sign of underconfidence and just being a talking head, especially on virtual calls. What other body language cues can you use in order to be more impactful in your presence? To know that, download the guide in the first comment.